Greetings. My name is Diana Evans, and I am one of the newest members of GMTC. I'm excited to be here for so many reasons. The first reason is because I happen to be working on something else, and GMTC had a link that kept popping up in my search engine. And of course, it's because I had been searching for some things a time back regarding learning to play music. Well, this particular day, music was nowhere on my mind. However, I have a grave desire to know how to not only play the piano, but the guitar and a couple of other musical instruments. Well, I'm just so blessed to say that after two or three times of the link popping up amongst my searching for other things, that I finally felt compelled to click on it. When I clicked on the link, I thought to myself, no, you got to be kidding me. This is just a joke. This is another one of those get rich quick schemes or them promising you something, but you're not really going to get anything, or they're going to want all of your money and they're not going to give you too much of anything else. And I'm going to have to figure this out still by myself. By way of a very brief testimony, first and foremost, I'm pleased to say that I am a gospel preacher entering into my 30th year in 2021, believe it or not. God spare my life in February of 2021, I will be 50 years old. I've lived my life with special needs, finding out at the age of 30, after a lifetime of struggle, that I lived with autism. And when this link, when the link to GMTC came just seemingly out of nowhere, and I clicked on it and decided I'd bite the bullet and follow the link and put my information in, I promise you, of the many transactions I've had over the internet, this one is far best. Let me tell you why. All of my life, I've desired to sing and play. I've stood in Sunday services as a minister. I'm in the front of the church. I stood in Sunday services on more than one occasion with desire to just walk over to the piano when high praise is taking place or what have you. And sometimes maybe a more laid back, mellow praise when it comes down to communion Sundays or whatever. And I've just desired to walk over. Something in me just kept saying, you can do that. You can do that. I've taken this amount of time to share my personal testimony because I am a beginner. I'm just starting. I sit here today. I've only been in the course for about a couple of weeks now. It's not been a full month. And I have a very, very challenging situation taking place right now. But I have been desiring to play, have had other materials around me for a very long time. But the interactive courses with Jermaine and Brian keeping up with me have been such a blessing that I have learned in my learning time or my study time, I have learned C D E F G A B C and so on, repeating itself. I'm excited about that because it's been years, at least 18, I dare say, that I have wanted to learn to play the piano.